Welcome to Shy's Daily Trivia. All our trivia questions are generated or created from a video of the same title or subject from our other channel, Shy's 13 Random Facts. If you choose to go watch the video first, please remember to subscribe while you're there. It would be greatly appreciated. It would benefit you if you did choose to watch the video before answering these questions, but if you choose not to, that's fine. You're not obligated to do so. Besides, we all love a good challenge and a great game of trivia. If, however, you find you are having trouble, feel free to go check out the facts video. All the answers will be on that video. So how it works, I will ask you a question and give you roughly 25 seconds before the answer will be shown to you. Today's trivia will be all about the flower violets. So sit back, put your thinking caps on, and let's have some fun. And rhyming with fun is number one, and that's where we're going to start. True or false? Every part of the violet, such as the legs, stem, and the leaves, can all be eaten safely. I do hope you're enjoying these daily trivia. If you have an idea to make them better, please feel free to mention it down in the comment section, and please be polite when doing so. Answer number one is true. Legs, leaves, and flowers can be used to treat congestion, sore throat, and easily remove excess water from the body. Leaves and flowers can be used to treat anxiety and relieve stomach cramps. For those of you who didn't know, you do now. Question number two, true or false? Nectarine from the flowers are collected from wasps to be transported to other areas for future growth of new flowers for reproduction. Please feel free to share this video with all your friends, then you can compete against each other. It's always fun to compete against your friends, plus it helps us grow. Answer 2 is false. The fruits of violet flowers are called capsules, which contain the seeds which fall away from the mother plant. Then the capsules split, resembling an explosion. Sounds like it's something cool to watch. I'd like to see that. I'll have to go check the documentary channel. Question number 3, true or false? The most common species of the flower found in Illinois is the African violet. True or false? If you're enjoying these daily trivias, let your friends know about us. Don't keep us a secret from them. Let's grow together. It can't be done without you. Answer number 3 is false. The most common species of the flower found in Illinois is the dooryard violet. I don't know if that's pronounced dooryard or dooryard, but there you go. Question number 4. How was the violet chosen to become the state flower of Illinois? A. State government voted on it. B. It was the first state that violets were grown in. C. School children voted on it. D. PTA voted on it. A, B, C, or D? Please, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons along with the notification bell. They are all down below this video, and this way you can be kept informed every time we upload a new video. And we do try to upload every day, as long as life permits it. Answer number 4 is C. In the state of Illinois, it was children who were in school that voted to make the violet the Illinois state flower. Question number 5, true or false? The nut-like seeds from the violets have a dry texture to them. If you find yourself running out of time, just hit the stop button. I do try to give ample amount of time for y'all, but it's understandable. Not everyone is a fast reader. Answer number 5 is false. The nut-like seeds have straight embryos, flat cotyledons, and soft, fleshy endosperm, and have an oily texture to them. Now you know. Number 6. True or false? Violets come in many different colors, including some of them having 2 colors on one flower together. Before you answer, make sure you understand the question. Sometimes they are worded in ways to misdirect you. It makes it more challenging that way, for both me and you. Answer number 6 is true. Along with the color violet, as their name suggests, violets also come in other colors such as blue, yellow, white, and cream. Some are even bicolored, often blue and yellow. Question number 7, true or false? The petals are commonly coated with sugar and used on cakes, chocolates, and pastries as sweet garnishes. So how you doing so far? Are you getting most of them right? Let us know down below. We like to know these things because, you know, we're a curious bunch here. Answer number 7 is true. The petals are commonly coated with sugar and used on cakes, chocolates, and pastries as sweet garnishes. Question number 8, true or false? Violets are either male or female, but never both. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out today and tell your friends about us. We do love big groups. The more the merrier. And it helps us grow. Answer number 8 is false. The violet contains both male and female reproductive organs. And if you didn't know that, you do now. Question number 9. How many times a year can the dooryard violet bloom? A, twice, B, once, C, 4 times, or D, 3 times? Thanks for watching, and we hope you walk away today learning something from these videos. We do try to make it both educational and fun for everyone, because we know that's what will bring you back. Hopefully we're succeeding. Answer number 9 is A. The dooryard violets actually bloom twice a year. Again, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Dooryard or dooryard. Don't matter. It's spelled dooryard, so it's dooryard. Question number 10. What year was the violet voted in as the state flower in Illinois? Was it A, 1908, B, 1907, C, 1909, or D, 1906? We do hope to see you soon in another Shy's Daily Trivia. We do post daily except on weekends and when life permits, so hopefully we will see you back soon. Answer number 10 is B. In the state of Illinois, it was children who were in school that voted to make the violet the Illinois state flower in 1907. And there you have it. Now you know. So let us know how many you got right and put it down below in the comment section. If you didn't do that well, no worries. Just watch the video again and redo the questions and keep doing it until you get them all correct. Sooner or later, you'll become an expert. So my name is Shai, and I do hope you have yourselves a great day. Signing off, and good night.